Type one word in this box, click Generate. Copy this and collect your earnings again and again. This takes less than 10 minutes, and you have the potential to make some pretty decent amount of money online. This free bot that we never talked about earlier works all over the world, and you can get paid with PayPal, bank transfer, and many more. Let me know in the comments which payment method you prefer. How would you like to collect your online earnings with this free bot? Because I prefer PayPal, but let me know what's your favorite in the comments down below. Keep in mind that this may not make you rich, but I think it's worth it to spend 10 minutes using this free bot and have a chance to get a couple of $100s with your phone, laptop, or even just a computer. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now let me explain to you step by step how you can use this free platform to make hundreds of dollars in less than 10 minutes of work. This is absolutely a free platform that we never talked about on this channel. And it has one feature that is a free bot that is going to do all of the work for you, and you can make money hands-free. But you must follow all of the steps from this video if you want to make this work. We will begin with step number 1, which is to come over to designhill.com. This is a place where designers gather to create, promote, and sell different t-shirt designs, website designs, logo designs, brochures, and other stuff. This website has been trusted by over 100,000 businesses and has been seen on BBC, Microsoft, and so on. They're working with some massive companies, which means this is a really good company to work with. Now all we would have to do for step number 1 is to come over to designhill.com, explore it, and learn more about the website. For step number 2, you will need to scroll down to the bottom of the website and just remember that this is only the first free tool that you will need to combine with the next few platforms which I'm about to show you. So make sure to pay close attention and don't skip anything. Once you've scrolled down to the bottom of the website, underneath the Tools section, I want you to select Business Tools right here. And that's going to take you over to this page where you can explore their different free business tools. This is a place where a business owner can find all of the useful tools he needs to run a business in one place. As you can see, there's a barcode generator, QR code generator, profit margin calculator, PayPal fee calculator, and so on. But you don't need that. You just need one bot from this website, and it's going to make you money with the platforms which I'm about to show you in a minute. So what you will need to do is scroll a little bit down and select the slogan generator. Right here, as it says, get hundreds of slogan ideas for your project or business. And then I'm gonna show you loads of different platforms to which you can sell those slogans to make hundreds of dollars again and again. If you follow all of the steps from this video, you will be able to make $999 in a single day. It's not $1,000, it's $999. So make sure to stay tuned and see exactly what I'm talking about. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. For step number 3, you will start using the Designhill Slogan Maker. This is a free bot where you can enter one word in this box, hit the search button, and it's going to generate loads of slogans for absolutely free, from which you will make hundreds of dollars. Each of those slogans can make you hundreds of dollars, sometimes even up to $999. So let's say, for example, I want to type in a slogan for my channel. I would just type in the keyword finance, and I will hit the search button. Now that's gonna give me over 100 different slogans which I can use for free. I can literally just copy them with one click of a button. And how long did it take me? It was like 5 seconds. Just type in or paste the word in this box and hit search. That's all you literally have to do. And then the platforms which I'm about to show you in this video will pay you hundreds of dollars again and again. So you can collect loads of free PayPal money with one of the platforms which I'm about to give you in this video. I can now go through all these slogans and find the one that I like. As you can see, there's this slogan over here, another one over here, and so on. I can just find a suitable slogan for my business, whether it's a restaurant, a gym, a coffee shop, and etc. I can find a suitable slogan for any business with the Designhill's free bot, which generates those slogans for me with only one click of a button. That's like 5 seconds of work. Now that you know how Designhill's Slogan Maker actually works, let me show you how you can make money from all of these different slogans and how all of these slogans can make you hundreds of dollars. The first thing that you can do is to use the freelancing website called peopleperhour.com. If you type in a slogan or tagline, that's going to give you all of these different people that are selling this service. Even though this service is high in demand, there's not a lot of people that know that they can provide this service on this website, and that's why there are only a few results. So this is a massive potential because People Per Hour is being visited by millions of people regularly, and if you provide your service, the competition is low. You can stand out as a complete beginner and sell your services easily. You can see that it is in high demand when you check the feedbacks that this person got. So this person probably got a lot of sales at this price. Just imagine making money by copying and pasting one word into the previous website, and they will give you the slogan which you can deliver to the customer. And that's thousands of dollars by providing this service alone. You can see that it is in high demand, but the competition is low on peopleperhour.com to create a perfect slogan or tagline, so they're making a lot of money with this service. It's the perfect time to jump on this before the competition becomes bigger, before more people start doing it. So it's the right time to take advantage of that early access. And that's why you were lucky enough to have clicked on this video in the right time. So now you just need to follow it along until the end, and then go out there and take action and collect the profit. People Per Hour is just one of the freelancing websites which you can use. You can also use Freelancer, TrueLancer, even Fiverr if you want to. So there's a lot of different freelancing websites which you can use, or you can even Google it. You can search for like Fiverr alternatives, and that's going to give you different platforms where you can provide this service. The more platforms you list this service on, the higher the chances of getting more sales you will have, and the more money you will make. And all it takes is you list a service, wait for those sales, and whenever someone buys from you, they will pay you to like $35 or $55. You go back to the previous website. You go to the free slogan generator. Just copy and paste their company name or their business name and click submit. You copy the slogan which you like, then deliver it to the customer, and that's it. It's really simple. Besides those freelancing platforms, you can also use websites like sloganslingers.com. This is a place where you can participate in slogan contests and collect your earnings if you win the contest. This website has been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine, CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Killer Startups, and more. So you know it's a legit one, and you know it's a great website to work with. Now you're not here to spend any money, and you're not a business looking for a slogan or a tagline. That's why you just need to click on the right slogans right here. So you can sign up as a person that's going to write slogans for them. It's going to be very simple and easy. You just need to answer some basic information about yourself. Enter your valid email address, create a username, enter your full name, create a password, and enter your PayPal email address. You can leave this box blank and agree to their terms and conditions, and just click Create an Account. It takes you less than 60 seconds to copy and paste that name, and you can show your skills against other writers from the USA, UK, Australia, and around the world. But this works worldwide, so just come over to sloganslingers.com, sign up for a free account, and you can start browsing all the different contests that are currently available. Just bear in mind that there won't be a lot of them available on Slogan Slingers. There might be 1 or 2 different contests at a time, but try it out. It's free, and it doesn't cost you much time. I mean, it just takes you 2 minutes to sign up, and then to enter some contests. That's gonna be less than a minute of work, and you stand a good chance of making hundreds of dollars if you win the contest. Once again, you can either use those freelancing websites, Slogan Slingers, or use the last platform which I have for you called squadhelp.com. Now for this one, you would need to pay a $10 fee to participate in those contests. But the chances of winning those contests are a lot higher because there's not a lot of people competing, and there are a lot more contests available on SquadHelp. Now this is optional, of course. You don't have to use SquadHelp. Even with just those freelancing websites or Slogan Slingers, you still stand a good chance of making hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars. But if you want to maximize the results, you can for sure use this website as well. As you can see, they've been featured on Forbes, which is big. Now if you want to get started, you just need to click on Become a Creative right here, so you can sign up and you can see how it works. You just need to submit your ideas in a slogan or logo contest. Holders rate your ideas and provide feedback. If they like it or not, you earn cash rewards if your idea is selected by the company. And of course, you earn badges and points and bragging rights when your ideas are liked. So it's a fun way to make some extra cash with squadhelp.com. Just bear in mind that once again, they have a $10 fee. It's currently $10 that might change soon, but it's around $10 to answer all of those contests. Just pay a one-time fee and you will get to enter those hundreds of dollars worth of contests, which you can potentially win. If you're wondering how you will get paid, they use PayPal to send all payouts, so you can use your PayPal account and then spend that money on whatever you want to as soon as you're paid if you win the contest on squadhelp.com. So once again, it takes you less than 10 seconds to just copy their business name, paste it in the box, hit the search button, and then just find a suitable slogan which you like to deliver to the customers and collect your earnings. You can do this again and again for basically unlimited times. And the more of those platforms you combine, the more money you will be able to make. And there are literally over 30 different freelancing websites which you can use, plus other platforms which I just showed you in this video. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next videos.